marami kasi sila, ano dapat ang gawin natin? Di, patayin natin yung mga senador ngayon para mabakante. Kung makapatay tayo ng mga 15 na senador, pasok na tayo lahat.
Maihahalin tulad daw sa isang bomb joke na naparurusahan sa ilalim ng batas ang binitawang pahayag ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa proclamation rally ng PDP sa kanilang senatorial candidates. Sabi ni Lanao del Sur Representative Zia Alonto Adyong, dapat na imbestigahan ito ng National Bureau of Investigation dahil katulad lamang din ito ng pagbabanta ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa buhay ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Hindi anya dapat baliwalain ang mga pahayag ng dating Pangulo dahil may pagkakataong isinagawa na ito ng mga taga-suporta ni Duterte. Pero nang tanungin si NBI Director Jaime Santiago, mga senador daw dapat ang magreklamo kung sila ang tinatakot na ipapapatay at magkaiba umano ang pagkakasabi ni na VP Sara at kanyang ama. Sagot naman ni Adyong, gusto lang naman nilang maghatid ng mensahe na hindi dapat ginagawang biro ang seryosong banta.
Do we actually normalize this kind of talks? Especially if it's uttered in a very important event like a proclamation rally that would speak about, I don't know how the NBI director sees it, but we are not instigating. We are merely trying to convey a message where if there is a policy that any threats, no matter how you say it, utter it, whether it's a joke or not, you are not allowed to say things about killing other people. No? We are actually trying to convey a message where in the case of the former president, where he somehow has the license and permit to say anything he says. He can tell you, I will kill you. He can tell you, I will kill him, and then get away with it.
Punto pa ni Adyong, bagamat inirerespeto niya ang posisyon ng NBI Director, panahon na para magkaroon ng malinaw na hangganan ang pagbibitaw ng ganitong salita.
I mean, it's time really to draw the line. When do we allow these things, this kind of talks, to to go unscathed and without even a sense of impunity? I beg to disagree, and I don't want to again. I respect the position of the NBI director, but then again, this is something that should be taken seriously for an NBI director, for someone who is in charge of really making sure that such talks and such rhetorics don't go overboard as to causing harms and direct as probably causing other people to really act on a certain on the statements made by this influential person, something that should be not taken lightly.
Samantala, idinagdag ni Representative Rog Gutierrez na sana ay hindi muna ibinasura agad ni Santiago ang panawagan at tiningnan man lang ang ideya. Kung political rhetoric man umano ang pahayag, dapat itong silipin lalo't may bahid ito ng politika. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.